Mullah Ali quotes transform your life.
If you overpower your enemy, then pardon him by way of thankfulness to Allah for being able to subdue him.
Unfortunate is he who cannot gain a few sincere friends during his life, and more unfortunate is the one who has gained them and then lost them through his deeds. When some blessings come to you, do not drive them away through thanklessness. He who is deserted by friends and relatives will often find help and sympathy from strangers.
Every person who is tempted to go astray does not deserve punishment.
Our affairs are attached to the destiny decreed by Allah. Even our best plans may lead us to destruction. One who rushes madly after inordinate desire runs the risk of encountering destruction and death. Overlook and forgive the weaknesses of the generous people, because if they fall down, Allah will help them. Failures are often the results of timidity and fears. Disappointments are the results of bashfulness. Hours of leisure pass away like summer clouds. Therefore, do not waste opportunity of doing good.